Yeah. Now then, you got rich niggas, right? They do what they wanna do. You got broke niggas, you heard? They do what they gotta do. Now ask yourself, which one are you? Fall back, soaking in Remy, sitting back, smoking the 20. Shit is scary, that hustling is so in me. Never show envy, gotta style unmasked. I'm like Poe back in 84, now smile at that. Unseen when I'm low, but still right in your face. I'm so skinny, but that semiota's right in my waist. Jags and Jeeps, whoopies with the raggedy seats. Just imagine how I'm moving if we had any beef. Beats relax me, good Chiba keeps me nasty. Load of smoke when I see the D's creeping past me, ducking the knocks. Born busting Dutchess apart. Lock pussy with pretty lips when you fucking it far. For the foe, weak for the rims that glow. Rock Timbs if it's summer or 10 below. Love the streets, the signs of the drugs is deep. I'm just another nigga next up trying to eat.
I had some problems, and no one could seem to solve them.
Not a soul, baby, but
you found the answer.
It's all for y'all now.
You told me to take this chance,
But it seems y'all would rather see me hit than see me rich. Get bagged over some bullshit and see me snitch. Hoping some A's whole bitch to leave me sick. Like I'm a sucker for love with some easy dick. I did dirt through my days but hit my work. Even then still I made sure no kids got hurt. Sweet connects, been on since my feet got wet. From the best turn back, learn to speak direct. My game sharpened, we all had our days of barking. You can tell niggas styles by their ways of parking. Why disputed? Dough got us so polluted. Paranoid to the point it's like we overdo it. Release pressure, deep how to beat Sylvester. Buff up, handcuffed and treat you lesser. Toes on me, smoke spray y'all both for me. Y'all can bet, I'm a bet how it's supposed to be.
I had some problems, and no one could seem to solve them.
Not a soul, baby, but
You found the answer.
it's all for y'all now.
You told me to take this chance.
I got it locked, feel me? Infinite game, get chills on the strip of my chain. It's only real. Certain niggas mention my name, some relate. Others stay numb in the face, trying to keep steps ahead like we running the race. Nikes and Timbs, lady friends like them slim. Light makeup, that shit that blend right with the skin. So what's the issue? All dick sucks is still official. Cold steel nickels and feel I'm still with you. Iceberging on the turnpike merging. Late night, white brake lights, black excursion. Free smoking, hustle a rap, I'ma keep open. Too many niggas got deep emotions, the stress got them. Who else wanna express their problems? Get upset, but feel best respect the bottom. True or false, feel a fake love or hate. Right or wrong, as long as the thugs relate.
I had some problems, and no one could seem to solve them.
Not a soul, baby, but
You found the answer.
it's all for y'all now.
You told me to take this chance.
What y'all want from it?
I had some
Y'all haters better
problems,
get a hustle, man. Stop fucking with me.
no one could seem
I'm trying to live, man.
to solve them.
Know what I mean? I've been at the bottom, I was rising, fell back down, trying to climb up, man. Get off my back, baby. I'm sucker free, this shit. AZ to visualize the return once again.